This is the Roav from Anker, and it's the latest way to bring the Google Assistant into your car. As you can see, it's designed to plug into the 12-volt accessory socket or the cigarette lighter socket in the vehicle, and it gives you two high-speed USB ports to plug in and charge your accessories like your phone. Now this connects via either a 3.5mm audio cable, which is supplied into the aux-in port in your car if it has one, and if not, if you have Bluetooth, you can connect it via Bluetooth instead. On the top there is a button which you can either short press or long press to trigger the assistant or have notifications read out or mute the whole thing, and there's two microphones and a little LED colour array here to show whether the Google Assistant is listening. You can either talk to the Google Assistant, "Hey Google," "Never mind,"
"Sure, let's move on,"
or you can use the button on the top. "Hey Google, play Jagged Little Pill by Alanis Morissette."
"Okay, playing the album Jagged Little Pill on Spotify."
"Hey Google, stop the music." "Hey Google, remind me to pick up the laundry at 6 p.m.
"Sure, I'll remind you at 6 p.m.
"Hey Google, show me how to drive to CVS."
"Touch the one you want."
"Hey Google, call the nearest CVS."
"Calling CVS on El Camino Real in Redwood City."
"Hey Google, what's on the news?"
Here's the latest news from Reuters TV, US, at 9:52 a.m. today. From Reuters TV, here are today's top stories.
A U.S. crackdown divides
Google.
families seeking legal immigration.
As president,
"Hey Google,
I'll look at
stop."
who is and who is.
"Hey Google, text Vincent."
There are 3 people with that name: Vincent Nguyen, Vince iMessage, or Vince MWC. Which one do you want to text?
The first one.
Mobile, work, or home?
Mobile.
What's the message?
"I'll be with you in 20 minutes.
Here's your text to Vincent Nguyen: "I'll be with you in 20 minutes. Do you want to send it or change it?" You have a message from unknown number. To hear it, press the Google Assistant button on your car accessory. Unknown says, "Are you almost here?" To reply, long press the Google Assistant button, then let go and start talking.
If you're an iPhone user, the Roav will work with that too, though you won't get all the same functionality as you would with an Android device. For $49.99 though, this is a really simple way and an easy to install way to get some Google Assistant action going while you're on the road.